What if you could start with as little as $50 and copy the trades of proven pros, no charts, no stress, and get 2 times your first deposit to boost your results from day one? That's exactly what you get with PU Prime copy trading. And yes, with my link below, you'll unlock a 2 times first deposit bonus. Already have an account? Close it, withdraw, and reopen with my link to qualify, then DM me on Telegram so I can help you pick the best strategy. Let's go. Copy trading means you sync your account to experienced signal providers. When they trade, your account mirrors them automatically. Don't know technical analysis? No problem. No time to trade? It runs while you work. Want to learn as you earn? You'll see every position in real time. With PU Prime's all-in-one app, it's literally follow, copy, earn. Here's why I'm pushing PU Prime over generic social trading apps. Beginner-friendly. Pick a signal provider, set risk, allocate funds, done. Transparent stats, performance history, win rate, drawdown, open trades, all visible. Fair profit share, high watermark plus floating orders. Providers only share profits when you are net up. Flexible, start or stop copying anytime. Diversify across multiple providers. Mobile first, real-time tracking in the PU Prime app. And with my link, you're starting with 2 times deposit power. That's like switching on turbo from day one. Some strategies on the leaderboard, they show these triple-digit to even wild multi-1,000% returns over recent periods, and win rates north of 70 to 90%. Now, that doesn't mean every single day is green or that past returns will always repeat. But it really shows the upside when you plug into the right providers. Here's your edge. Use the leaderboard to filter by risk. Start low, honestly. Split your allocation across 2 to 3 providers, so you're diversifying. Rebalance monthly. Keep the stars. Replace the laggards. And if you combine that with a 2 times deposit boost, your capital is working harder for you from day one. Copier. This is perfect if you want passive income and want to learn by watching the pros. You can start with as little as $50 and scale as you grow. Now, if you're already profitable, consider being a signal provider. You can publish your strategy and earn up to 50% profit share while building your brand. There are short settlements, multiple income streams, and honestly, some fast growth if your track record is strong. For copiers, it's just 3 steps. First, sign up and verify. Use my link for a 2 times bonus. Then, choose providers from the leaderboard and set your risk per provider. Finally, copy automatically. Track your profits live and adjust anytime. For signal providers, also 3 steps. Sign up and verify. Create and share your strategy page, and then earn up to 50% in profit share as copiers follow you. Terms and conditions apply. Check the in-app guide for all the details. I've been trading for over 20 years. Inside my community, we really help each other out. There's live chat, where we exchange trade ideas and risk tips. If you decide to join using my link, just shoot me a DM on Telegram. I'll personally help you choose providers that align with your risk tolerance and goals. Plus, I'll share my own allocations and adjustments so you're never flying blind. Alright, start smart. Begin with low-risk providers and a small allocation. If you notice the stats starting to deteriorate, use stop copy and rotate to stronger strategies. Reinvest your profits gradually. Don't go overboard with leverage. Remember, copy trading is powerful, but it's still trading. So manage your risk and always think long-term. So, are you ready to set this up in like 10 minutes? Just click the link below and create your PU Prime account to unlock the 2 times first deposit bonus. Fund your account. Even $50 can get you started. Pick your providers, set your risk, and start copying today. Already have an account? No problem, just close it, withdraw, and reopen with my link to qualify. Then, DM me and I'll help you dial in the best settings. Let's build your passive income engine now. Just a quick note here. This isn't financial advice. Trading involves risk, so only invest what you can afford to lose. Make sure you pay attention to the disclaimer that's going to be on the screen.